This is a simple Vietnamese-style stir-fried garlic vegetable rice. Makes 3 servings and takes about 15 minutes to prepare. Quick, inexpensive, and full of flavor. 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice, cooled. Using day-old or cooled rice helps keep the grains separate when stir-frying. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Neutral oil with a high smoke point is best for stir-frying. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. Garlic is the aromatic base for this rice. 1 small yellow onion, thinly sliced. The onion adds sweetness and texture. 1 medium carrot, julienned. Adds color and a slight crunch. 1 cup of thinly sliced napa cabbage. It wilts quickly and adds volume. 1 cup of frozen peas. They add sweetness and pop of green. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. This provides savory umami seasoning. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Adds authentic Vietnamese savory depth. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Balances the savory sauces. 2 scallions, sliced. Reserve the green tops for garnish. A small handful of fresh cilantro leaves for garnish. Adds a bright herbal finish. Salt and black pepper to taste. Adjust seasoning at the end. Lime wedges to serve, optional. A squeeze brightens the flavors. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Heat a large wok or non-stick skillet over medium-high heat for 1 minute. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and swirl to coat the wok for 10 seconds. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1 small thinly sliced yellow onion. Stir-fry for 60 seconds until fragrant and the onion is translucent. Add 1 medium julienned carrot and 1 cup of thinly sliced napa cabbage. Stir-fry for 2 minutes until the cabbage begins to wilt. Add 1 cup of frozen peas and stir for 30 seconds to defrost and warm them through. Push the vegetables to the side of the wok, add the cooled rice, 2 cups, and break up any clumps with the spatula. Pour 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce evenly over the rice and stir-fry for 2 minutes to combine flavors. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sugar and season with salt and black pepper to taste, then continue to toss for 30 seconds. Stir in 2 sliced scallions and remove the wok from heat, tossing for 10 seconds. Taste and adjust seasoning with more soy sauce, salt, or pepper if needed, then transfer the rice to a serving bowl. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves and a squeeze of lime if desired. Serve immediately. This completes the recipe. If you enjoyed this simple Vietnamese garlic vegetable rice, like the video, subscribe for more easy recipes, and hit the bell to get notifications.